This is kind of casual meeting where whoever comes. I'm bold guy, whatever I know, I try to teach people. I try to, my partners, make collaborations, and the same values which I carry, I try that we can carry them on and do some good work. So I'm really bold guy. The benefit I get from my friends, from my network, I want to share that. So that's why I started this. And this is kind of my hobby, if you like. Like I like once every 2-3 weeks, I like to meet new people. And mostly what happens out of these meetings, I end up doing some new collaborations. And whoever comes, we speak with each other and, you know, see what comes out of that. And then there's the official version which we're launching from next month, which has tiers. So the main aim behind this is whatever you're doing, you need few things which are really important for your project or your business. First of all, money and investment, a great product or service, then the network to get all the contracts and clients. If you have all these things, then there's a good chance you'll be very successful. So these days I launch businesses like, you know, if there's a new idea, I like it. If there is someone selling good service or product, I can just do an event and ask everyone to come there. There are always people who are interested to invest. There are always people who want to buy it. And it kind of straight away becomes big success. So that's what I want to share with everyone. That's why this network. What I would say again, the problem I've seen with people, why they are not successful, because they're not bold enough or they're not clear enough. Like for example, I said 7 years ago, I wrote on piece of paper, top 10 guy, and I started working on it day in, day out, and I got so far. I don't see the same thing whenever I come across any entrepreneurs or businesses. They don't have clear vision that we want to get there. First of all, they don't believe that they can get there or they can achieve something big. So I always start, have a clear target and vision where you want to get to. You might not get there, but you will get close, or at least you would know if you're straying away, you can come back to path, and you know, from failures you can learn.